Beating, right? Beating. क्या बोलेंगे? Beating.
Beating.
Right. Beating. हाँ, तो एक scolding हो गया, beating हो गया. Yes, scolding हो गया और so you forgot. Okay, I'm coming to Trisha now. Trisha, does your mother scold you?
Sir, sometimes she scolds me.
Okay, where is she? She is late today.
Yes, sir.
Now I will scold her. All right. हाँ, तो why does she scold you? क्यों डांटती है मम्मी?
Sir, when I do mistakes.
Okay, when you do mistakes. Okay, when did she scold you last time?
Sir, today only.
Okay, today only. Why did she scold you? डांटा क्यों इतने प्यारे बच्चे को?
Sir, my brother was playing in the phone and my mother seen him and he said my name that I was playing. Then I got scolded.
Okay, then you got scolded or you got scolding. हाँ? आपको डांट
Yes,
पड़ी?
sir.
दोनों sentence ठीक हैं वैसे. Your mother scolded you because you were doing something there and your brother was playing a game on phone and you did something and that's why your mother scolded you. Then how did you feel? कैसा लगा आपको डांट खाने के बाद? पेट भर गया होगा ना?
No, sir. Sir, I was crying.
You were crying. Oh my God! Don't cry. Huh? You should not cry after getting scolded. Huh?
Yes, sir.
All right. Okay. Do you ever scold your brother?
Sir, yes.
All right. So when did you scold your brother last time?
Sir, today only.
Today only.
Sir-
What was the reason?
Sir, because I get scolding from my mother.
Because
And-
sorry.
Sir, because I got scolding from my mother.
Okay.
And he was playing the game.
He was
Playing the game.
okay. He was playing the game and you got
So
the scolding.
I scolded him. I
That's why
scolded.
you scolded. You got scolding from your mother, and then you scolded your brother. यहाँ से लिया वहाँ दिया.
Yes,
Huh?
sir. Yes, sir.
अपने पास कोई चीज नहीं रखने का. हाँ,
Yes.
जो भी पास में आता है उसको दूसरे को दे देने का. All right. That's very good. Okay, have you taken dinner?
No, sir, I haven't taken dinner.
All right. Nowadays you are not going to school.
Yes, sir, I'm not going to school.
Okay, but you
Because-
were going to school before 6 months.
Yes,
Before
sir.
6 months. So, how were you going? How were you going to school before 6 months?
So I was going to school by bus.
By bus.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, what time was it coming?
So around, around 7.
Okay, it was coming at around 7 o'clock in the morning. All right. And what time were you returning from school?
So 2 o'clock.
At 2 o'clock.
Yes.
All right. Who was your best friend in school?
Sir, Anutma was my best friend.
Why she was your best
And
friend?
Sanvi Khatwa.
Sanvi Khatwa, and what is the first name?
Anutma. Sir,
Anutma?
Sanvi Khatwa was my
नाम
best
समझ में
friend.
नहीं आया बेटा. क्या बोला आपने नाम?
Sir, Anutma.
अनतमा,
Sir, Ma.
अनुपमा.
No, sir. Sir, my best friend was Sanvi Khatwa too.
Sanvi Khatwa. Okay,
Yes.
why she is your best friend? Still she is your friend? अभी भी है ना वो?
Sir, yes, but she has gone to Canada.
Okay, she is gone to Canada.
Yes, sir.
Okay, why she was your best friend in school?
Sir, because she means speak politely.
Okay, she
and
was polite.
Yes, sir. And
She was well behaved.
Yes, sir.
Okay, qualities
And-
बता सकते हैं आप. She was well behaved. She was polite. She was very humble. She was very cooperative. She was very friendly.
Yes, sir.
Mm-hmm.
And like she always helped me.
Yeah,
like,
she was.
I
She always.
do
Okay.
homework, so I tell her only.
Okay.
And she helped me a lot.
Okay. When I forgot, to do my homework, I always told her and I always sought her help. I always took her help. ठीक है, पास्ट में सेकंड फॉर्म का ध्यान रखते हुए थोड़ा सा आपको इम्प्रूव करना है अपने तरफ से कि जहां भी हम पास्ट में बात करें तो सेकंड फॉर्म को लेकर के आएंगे. ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you very much. I had a nice conversation with you. Okay, now just I'm coming to yes, Samida ma'am, unmute yourself. Looking great today.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, how's your life, ma'am?
Good evening. It's going. It is
Going
good.
on. All right.
Good.
And
Yeah.
do you go to Delhi, ma'am?
Yeah, usually I go to Delhi.
Okay, when did you go to Delhi last time?
I went to Delhi before 8 months.
Before 8 months.
Yes, sir.
It's a long time. Yeah.
Because,
long time.
sir, due to Corona,
Due to
Corona is
Corona,
going on. That's
yeah.
why everybody stay at our home.
Yeah, everybody stays at home because of Corona. Okay, why did you
Yes,
go to
sir.
Delhi before 8 months?
Just like that, sir. Sometime I feel go to some shopping and I feel like
Okay.
what I say.
हाँ, आप कह सकते हैं
Go
ऐसा.
around.
ठीक है. Sometimes I feel like doing shopping. Sometimes I feel like moving here and there. That's why just I
Yes,
visit
sir. Moving
places.
here. Yes,
Yeah.
sir. Moving here and there. That's why I visited lot of things.
Okay, how did you go there?
I went to buy car.
Okay, I went to Delhi by car.
Yes, sir.
Okay, whose car did you go by? Whose car? किसकी गाड़ी से गए आप?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's my own car.
It's my own car. Okay, which car do you have?
I have Swift Desire.
You have Swift Desire.
Yes, sir.
Okay, when did you buy this car?
I bought this car before 4 years. Before 4 years.
Before 4 years.
Yes, sir.
Okay, how is it performing now?
It is good.
It's good. Do you want to sell it?
Yes, sir. Sell it? No, I don't want sell out.
No, I'm ready to buy that. If you are going to sell your car, I'll buy. Okay, how much will you sell it for? कितने का बेचेंगे आप? How much will you sell it for?
I don't have any idea, sir.
Okay, ask your husband.
Yes,
Ask your
sir.
husband. और आप उनसे इंग्लिश में पूछेगा आप
Yes,
कितने
sir.
की बेचेंगे गाड़ी. तो कितने की
Yeah.
बेचेंगे के लिए सवाल क्या होगा? How much will you
हाँ.
sell it for? How much will
Yeah.
you sell it for?
Yes, yes, sir. How much will it sell it for? How
Will you-
much will you
sell it?
for?
Sell it for.
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay. Do you know how to drive car?
No, sir. I don't know because I'm scared about driving.
Okay, I'm scared of driving. ऐसा बोलेंगे I'm scared of driving. Scared के बाद
Driving.
off लगाएंगे. Off के बाद फिर action में ing.
Yes,
ठीक
sir.
है. I'm scared of cooking. I'm scared of driving. I'm scared of going there alone. I'm scared of doing it. I'm scared of living alone. ठीक है. मुझे अकेले रहने से डर लगता है. तो scared के बाद off लगाया. Off के बाद action में ing आप लगा सकते हैं.
Okay.
Okay, so you must learn how to drive. This is
Okay, sir.
this is exciting and this would be exciting.
Yes, sir. I will try my best.
Okay. So when will you learn how to drive?
Not exactly, sir. I don't know when will I go, but I will try.
Okay, I'll try. That's very good. That's so nice. That's so nice. Okay, thank you very much. Now I'm coming to yes. Chalu ma'am, unmute yourself.
Good evening, sir.
Why are you late today? I was asking your daughter, where is your mother? You've come on time, but your mother is late.
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir. Actually, I have an appointment with doctor.
Okay, You had an appointment with doctor. Everything is okay?
बस some medical issues. Nothing.
Okay, some medical issues were there. That's why just you went there. All right. So, ma'am, like, what should I ask you? Do you go for a walk?
I go for a walk sometimes.
Sometimes.
Yes.
Okay, why do you go for a walk?
To be healthy.
Okay, I go for a walk to be healthy.
Yes.
And what do you do? What do you do to keep yourself fit or healthy?
I do yoga and
Okay.
go for a walk and take lukewarm water in early morning.
All right. Do you take fast food or junk
No,
food?
sir. No, sir. I don't take. Rather, I avoid to take junk food.
Okay, I avoid eating junk food.
Yes.
Okay, why you avoid eating junk food? Everybody likes them.
Come again, sir?
Why you avoid eating junk food? Everybody likes them or everybody likes it.
Sir, I
Like people
don't
want to
like,
have pizza, people want to have burger, momos, chow mein.
Sir, I don't like junk food.
Okay, you don't like. All right, that is very good. And lots of people just I see that they have so much junk food or fast food, but they do not have any nutrition value. उसमें कोई nutrition value नहीं होता है, and they are very harmful, and definitely they are going to increase your weight.
Sir,
That's
my
very
kids
harmful.
my kids likes junk food.
But that's very harmful, you know, Richa. That's very harmful, and you must avoid it. If you are eating it, you know, once in a while, then that's okay. But don't eat it every day. Otherwise, that is going to harm your health. All right. So lots of people just I find in cities, they are very fond of junk food, or they are very fond of fast food, and that spoils one's health. तो वो एक व्यक्ति की हेल्थ को खराब कर देता है. So we should avoid it. Nowadays, you know what is happening? Lots of people are getting sick, and lots of people have so many health issues because of the eating habits they have. तो वो
Yes,
eating habits की वजह से जो लोगों की है, so they should be avoided. तो उनको avoid किया ही जाना चाहिए. Whatever junk food available there or the fast foods are available there, so they should be avoided. All right. Do you watch television, ma'am?
Yes, I watch television.
Okay. Why do you watch television?
Just to know about. I watch television to know about surroundings. I watch only news.
Okay, you watch. Which is your favorite channel nowadays? आजकल channel में बड़ा अजीब सी
भारत.
चीज़ हो रही. Okay, you like R Bharat, Republic Bharat.
The Republic Bharat, yes, sir.
All right.
Everybody is pulling flags.
Nowadays, everybody is pulling Republic Bharat's flag.
Yes, sir.
Everybody is, and all right. So, like, do you watch movies, ma'am?
Yes, sir. I watch movies.
All right. So, which kind of movies do you like?
Nothing special, sir.
All right. Which movie did you watch last time?
I forgot it because I
Okay, you
saw
forgot the name.
before lockdown. Yes.
All right. Okay. Okay, thank you very much. Now just I'm coming to Karthik. Unmute yourself.
Good evening, sir.
Yes, good evening, Karthik. How are you doing?
I'm doing well, sir. And what about you?
Just as usual, Karthik. And have you taken dinner?
No, sir. I haven't taken dinner.
Okay, did you take dinner last night?
Yes, I took dinner last night.
फिर गड़बड़ कर
Yes, I
दिया.
took dinner last night.
Okay, what did you take for dinner?
Sir, sir, I forgot it.
You forgot that?
Yes, sir.
All right. What time did you take dinner?
Sir, I will take dinner at about 9 o'clock.
Will क्यों? मैंने तो डेट से पूछा है, आप will से जवाब दे रहे. Will नहीं होगा. I took. what time did you take dinner? So I took dinner at 9 o'clock. सब जवाब जो होना चाहिए वो यहाँ पे यही होना चाहिए.
Okay, sir.
Right?
Okay. Sir,
Okay.
please 1 minute. So 1 minute, please. There's a problem.
Yeah. Karthik, what happened? Where are you?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Okay.
So there's a problem in my phone, so I will.
Okay. Yeah, unmute yourself. Shahidullah Hashmi. Hashim Puri.
Evening, sir.
Hashim Puri. Why do you
Good evening,
write? Why do you write at the last of your name Hashim Puri? Do you belong to Hashimpur?
Yes, sir. I belong to Hashimpur.
You are Hashim Puri.
Yes.
I'm Muradabadi.
Okay, thank you, sir. You are Muradabadi.
All right.
And I am Rampuri, sir.
Okay, sir. Good
Muradabadi
evening.
biryani is very famous, sir.
Yeah, it's
I love
famous.
Muradabadi biryani.
Okay.
Yeah.
Come to Muradabad. We'll have together.
Upen, sir, I am Rampuri.
All right, sir. Sir, good
Puri
evening.
biryani also famous, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Okay, Shahidullah. So,
Nice to see you, sir. How are you, sir?
doing very well. So, when did you take biryani last time? Let's have discussion on biryani.
I took last Muradabadi biryani last 1 year.